This section is on linear functions, which are essentially just lines. So we have the slope-intercept form, and in functional notation, that will be f of x is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So slope measures the steepness of the line, and the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. And this is the most important form for a line, and most of our final answers will be in this form. So to graph in the calculator, we will be using the y equals button, the zoom button, and the graph button. So I've pressed the y equals button, and I've typed negative 3x plus 7 in my y1. Then I want to go to zoom and go down to 6, which is zoom standard. And this will give me the negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window. And then press enter, and there's my graph. So I've copied my graph onto my paper, and the graph crosses the y-axis at 7 and the x-axis between 2 and 3. So it doesn't need to be exact as long as it's close. And if you did want to graph this by hand, you can always look at the slope-intercept form. So b is 7, which will be our first point, and m is negative 3. So to navigate to the second point, you could go down 3 and to the right 1.